Everyone, it's Christy here, and I'm so excited to announce that I will be the guest designer for Feed Your Craft for the month of February. This month's kit, which is released today, February 15th, is called Hold Tight, and it was designed by Brandi Kincaid. So the kit includes a stamp set, 4x6 and 3x4 cards, a die cut pack, and puffy stickers. So I'm just going to start with the puffy stickers because they're probably my favorite. I'm loving the colors, the oranges, the turquoises, the soft pinks, and the blues. So lots of florals in this collection, which I absolutely love. I love anything Brandi designs, but her florals are my favorite. I'm also really loving this speech bubble that says hold tight and the little binder clips as well. So can't wait to use that. Also have some cards, so an assortment of cards. All the cards have a dot pattern on the reverse side, and when you buy the kit, it also comes with digital copy of all the cards, which I love. In the past, some design team members have altered the cards to be larger and that sort of thing, so I look forward to playing around with the digital kit as well. So this one says arrange whatever pieces come your way, and as mentioned, all the reverse of the cards are a dot pattern. I'm loving this journal card. This is what I really miss in doing pocket pages, is having like journal cards like this. So I'm really loving this. The colors and the floral is beautiful. This one says listen close and has a bunch of cassette tapes, which is super cute. Another floral with some black and white and a pop of color. Beautiful circle with floral. A phone with a speech bubble. I love that. The light is there. Raise the shade. Don't ask me why, ask me how. Tupac. That's amazing. Beautiful stripe with soft pink and yellow. I love that combination. Another journaling card with floral. Another beautiful floral. And tomorrow journaling card. So those are the 3x4s. 4x6s. Beautiful pinks and purples in this kit. In a time of destruction, make something. Nice pop of red. The very least you can do in your life is figure out what you hope for, and the most you can do is live inside that hope, not admire it from a distance, but live right under its roof. The quotes that Brandi chooses and highlights, whether it's in a kit or on her Instagram, are just so amazing to me. Like, I just love it. Things I want to remember, I'm definitely going to include that in one of my projects. Trying to remember those little snippets of life with Nora and Adeline and Aaron, and writing it down and keeping it. So I really like this one. This floral is really pretty with the green and then a really pretty almost purple color for 4x6. So lots of cards. I love how many 4x6s are included. Lots of kits only include like 2 or 3, so way more than that. We have a die cut pack, lots. This thing is like chocked full of die cuts, so I'll show you that. And if you're looking to shop, the website is shop.feedyourcraft.com. So there is a ton of die cuts in here. So I'll just give you kind of an idea of the size. Worth remembering, don't forget. Soundtrack of life, some labels, which I love. Floral, good idea. Gosh, this is gorgeous. A nice flag piece. Another one. This one says for keeps. That's so cute. Lots of floral, floral, floral. This label with the floral. I love that. Here's another one. We were here. Some circle pieces. Like, there has got to be a ton of die cuts in here. This, I believe, is a window shade, I want to say, or a lunch kit, maybe, thermos, maybe a thermos and a lunch kit, I'm not sure. This, some more cassette tapes, memory mix. This is a keeper, another cassette tape, dance party, I love that. Cute little label. Floral piece, another little thermos, a clock label, vase with flowers, a bundle of letters, I love that one, circle, some more vases of flowers, more labels, more florals. This is just chock full of florals, and I'm going to use every one. I'm loving these circle pieces too. Suitcase, that's so cute. Remember, love her font always. Another label, another cassette tape that says Soundtrack of Life, and a ton of little floral pieces. So unbelievable pack of die cuts. And then lastly, but not least, is the stamp set. So hold tight. Have a circle with a floral, a little stamp with floral inside, like a postage stamp shape. And then this is like a label piece. It has spot for these words inside. I really like that. Finders keepers, lived, loved, told, what's working, remember this, this is us, today's soundtrack, keep in touch, save, toss. And then this phone, I just love this. This so reminds me of a book I read last year by Rainbow Rowell called Landline with this phone. It just reminds me of that book cover. So loving this kit. What a great value. If you want to check out the shop, again, it's shop.feedyourcraft.com. The kit sells out quickly. So the 15th of every month, a new kit is released, and this is going to sell out, I'll tell you that. This is a beautiful kit designed by Brandi, and hop on over to Feed Your Craft. I will have a few projects to share here on YouTube as well as on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that. And thanks so much for joining me today. We'll see you soon. Bye!